In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to make zoom blur in Photoshop. Go to the Photoshop menu bar window option, then choose Layer. Add Layer Copy. Go to the Photoshop menu bar, select option, choose Subject. Ctrl J, Layer Copy, right click and choose Pixel. Again go to the select option, then choose Modify to Expand and keep expand by 15. Go to the edit, then choose Fill. Follow the setting. Go to the select option and choose Deselect. Go to the filter and choose Convert Smart Object. Again go to the filter, then choose Blur to Radial Blur. Follow the setting. Ctrl Shift Alt E created output layer. Go to the filter and choose Camera Raw Filter. Follow the setting. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video.